Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, O men, you should expand in my way. I shall grant you the wealth. And said, Allah's hands are full. Do not get empty even by continuously expanding by night and day. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, don't you see how much He Jalla Jalaluhu has apportioned to the people since He Jalla Jalaluhu created the heavens and the earth? Nevertheless, what is in His hands has not diminished, and His throne is on the water, and Mizan, balance, is also in His hand. He Jalla Jalaluhu may lower and raise anyone He Jalla Jalaluhu pleases. I'taraka, smite you with something. Arutahu, I found him. Al-Urwa and I'taran have been derived from that. Akhizum binasitaha is in his kingdom and power. Unud, Unaid and Onad are synonyms. Extremely headstrong. Ista'murukum means cause you inhabit therein, as it is said, A'amartuhu dara fahiya umri. I have given him this house to live therein as long as he exists. Ankuruhum, Nakaruhum and Astankuruhum are synonyms. Hamidum Majid are on the matter of Fa'il, derived each from Majid, and Mahmud mean who has been praised. Sajil means hard and huge thing. Sajin means the same for Lam and Noon alphabet. Lam and Noon both are similar. So Tamim bin Muqbil, a poet, says, وَرَجَلَةٍ يَدْرِبُونَ الْبَيْدَ دَاحِيَةٌ ضَرَبًا تَوَاسِي بِهِ الْأَبْطَالُ سِجَيْنَا. Many pedestrians in forenoon strike hard with swords in a way which has been willed by brave men. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4684.